Video we're going to talk about the claim without stake mechanism. What is it? And in case if you're interacting with a protocol that uses this, now you can know what's happening behind the scenes. And if you are making an ecosystem, a DeFi or NFT ecosystem, you can see if this interests to you. So if this will fit good into your ecosystem. So let's take a look. We have a blog post and we're going to leave it in the description. Where we have two contracts, the NFT contracts and the token contracts that in this video we'll explain, and we will test on Goerli testnet. So you will need a MetaMask wallet. I will leave the link here, and also some Goerli testnet funds that you can take for free from a faucet. So your wallet should look like this. You should be in Goerli. You should show your testnet and add Goerli here. And yeah, see, if you have this, you are good to go. So before starting, we're going to explain what is this all about. So we will have a token contract and a NFT contract. So token is obviously an ERC20 token, and the NFT is an ERC 721. Sorry. And so how this is going to work is that this NFT is going to control the inflation of the token. So and each holder of NFT will be able to mint new token in a defined rate. So what is the rate? Basically, a rate is going to be, for example, 0.1 ether per block, or tokens per block, sorry. So as an NFT holder, each block that passes, you're going to receive 0.1 token as a reward for holding the token. And this has been made in different ways, but I like this way that we're going to look in this video, because there is no need for the NFT holder to stake the NFT in a contract like we usually do. Just by holding the NFT on your wallet, you will be able to claim new tokens without staking. So it's better user experience. And how is it worked behind the scenes? So when you mint an NFT, for example, it could be like a collection of 10,000 NFTs for a mint price 0.03 ether, whatever. So when you mint the NFT, you are going to register it in the token contract, and it's going to register the time where you mint your NFT, and as the time goes by, you will be able to accumulate these tokens, the claimable tokens that will be minted, and when you claim those tokens, this time will be refreshed. So it will work like some sort of checkpoints. What was the last time that you claimed or that you registered a new NFT? So we will multiply the number of blocks, or even you can do it with times, with seconds, days, whenever you want to do the reward. You will multiply that, and the reward will be minted to the NFT holder. So we're going to test this now, and we're going to take a quick look at the code too. We're going to use Remix. So we're going to first launch the NFT contract. So I'm going to create a new file, nft.sol, and we're going to launch this contract. So as you can see, there is a mint price of 0.001 ether for minting a new NFT, and there is a total supply of 10 tokens. You can combine this with whatever other NFT contract that you have been using. So you will need to add, so this specific register function that we have here. So this is how we will interconnect the token and the NFT token. Why? Because the NFT token needs to know where it's going to be registered, like I show here. So the NFT contract is going to be has to know where it's going to register the token, so it can be the reward can be minted later, and the token needs to know what is the NFT contract, because only the NFT, this specific NFT, is going to be able to create new tokens. The token doesn't mean to any NFT contract will be like a mess. So only the holders of this NFT contract will be able to mint. So that's in this contract. This is the NFT contract. So we compile. We're using the latest version of Solidity. All good. So now we're going to go into the token contract, and the token contract has most of the staking functionality. So we're going to make a token file here. We're going to add this. Everything compiles correctly. So as you can see, we have a register functionality, a register function that is called only from the NFT contract, because only the NFT contract can register new tokens, and the claim function that can only be called from a token owner, an NFT owner. And how does the reward gets calculated? We have this view function here that allows us to see the reward, predict the reward before claiming, so we can know how much token we have accumulated. So how the reward is calculated? So basically is the reward per block, basically the rate, multiplied by the number of blocks that transcurred from your last checkpoint. The checkpoint is the last time you made a claim, or if it's the first time they're going to make a claim, the moment that you register the tokens. That's the checkpoint. So the delta, the difference between the current block and the checkpoint multiplied by the reward per blocks is your reward. This is the formula. So yeah, let's try this out. First, we're going to launch the NFT token, the NFT contract, then the token contract, then we will interconnect them, then we will mint and then claim this reward, and we will see on our MetaMask if our reward is being claimed correctly. So yeah, let's start with the NFT contract. Here I have some tests. I'm going to delete them. So we choose here MetaMask, the wallet provider. We select the NFT contract and we deploy. So yeah, and while it's being created, so subscribe. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like. If you want more content about DeFi, NFTs, oracles, layer 2s, we cover everything blockchain related in this channel. And also, if you speak Spanish, hablas español, tenemos un canal en español. We have a Spanish YouTube channel. We're going to leave the links also in the description. And if you parle French, si tu parles français, ou si on a un chaîne en espagnol, en français, we have a French YouTube channel if you want the content in French. Okay, so the NFT contract just got deployed, and now yeah, that's it. So now we're going to get the token contract. We're going to create we're going to launch now the token contract, and we're going to select it from here, token contract. And as you can see, this token contract has a parameter on the constructor that is the NFT contract, because they have to be interconnected. The NFT contract, the must know what is the token contract, because he has to know where to register, and the token contract has to know which address is the NFT, because he has to validate that only this address can mint new tokens. Okay, so in this case we're going to pass as a parameter the NFT contract address. So when we launch the token contract, we pass this as a parameter, and once they get confirmed and launched, we're going to go to the NFT contract and connect it with a token, because both have to be connected. Both have to know which is the correct address for the other one. So we're going to, now that it's launched, we're going to grab the token address here, and we're going to call the set token contract function here. We're going to call this, and we confirm this, and as long as this is called, and now when this finish, both are going to be connected, and we will be able to start minting NFT and earning the yield. Okay, so yeah, this is pending. So yeah, the next part is going to be here in the NFT contract that we're going to use this mint function. We're going to mint one token to our address now that it's finished, but this is a payable function, and we have to pay 0.001 Ether for each NFT that we mint. That's why this button is in red. So we're going to mint one, but we will need to convert. We will need to add how much way are we sending. So in here 0.001 is this big number of way, because that's how we send it as a parameter here. So there you go. Now we transact, and we're going to pay 0.001 for minting this token. Now when this finishes, the claim will automatically start. The yield process will automatically start. No need to do anything else. No need to stake, no need to register. It happens automatically. That's what I like about this contract. It's easier, better user experience, and also the tokens are stay in the contract. So that's what I like it. Okay, so now that I minted, we can go now to the token contract and take a look at, for example, the token 0 now has a checkpoint. This is the block when it was registered. So every block, it will give me 0.1 tokens as a reward. And we can also take a look at the tokens 0. Now we can say that's true, is registered. And more importantly, we can calculate the reward. So now 3 blocks have transferred since I minted my NFT. So I have 0.3 tokens, claimable tokens, and this is going to be this is going to be continue augmenting. Now I have 0.4 tokens, claimable tokens, and we will be able to claim this just by calling the claim functions. And the claim function is going to give us all the tokens that we have pending for claim, and it's going to reset the checkpoint so no extra token gets minted. So I'm going to copy the token address so I can see how the new tokens arrived. So now that it's now I should have a couple of tokens, 0.5 or something. Oh, 0.7 token, because 7 blocks have transferred. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And also remember to subscribe if you want more about DeFi. If you have any questions, leave in the comments. We have a Discord channel too. The Discord channel is in Spanish, but we have an English channel. So yeah, happy to see you in another video. Bye.